Hello kids, welcome to our channel Learn with Bhavishya. So kids, let us continue our class about two-letter words. So kids, let's learn with me. He, H-E, he. Me, M-E, me. We, W-E, we. Up, U-P, up. Us, U-S, us. My, M-Y, my. By, B-Y, by. No, N-O, no. Two, T-O, two. As, A-S, as. And B, B-E, B. So kids, if you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel Learn with Bhavishya. Thank you.